I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to your YouTube channel where your request meets our solution. In this video, we'll discuss divisibility rule by 9. We have a very interesting case where we'll create a number which will be divisible by 9. So the question here is find the value of missing digit for the number to be divisible by 9. The number is A76 and 9B72. We need to find the value of A and the value of B for these two numbers to be created so that they are multiples of 9. Makes sense, right? Now, what is the divisibility rule by 9? Well, it is that the sum of digits should be divisible by 9. Simple as that. Perfect. So let's begin with the very first number, which is A76. So we want A plus 7 plus 6 to be divisible by 9. That's what we want, right? 7 plus 6 is known to us, which is 13, right? So that should be divisible by 9. Now, if 13 is divisible by 9, what is the value of A? That is your question, correct? So A could be 6, for example, because 18 is divisible, right? So one option is A is 6, right? So that could give me the solution. 13 plus 6 is definitely 18, and that should be divisible. So we get one option, which is A is 6, right? 676 is now the number. So we are saying A equals to 6 is our solution, right? Okay. Now let's look into the second case, which is 9B72. So I hope this one is clear to you, right? Apply the strategy and find the solution for the part B, right? This time, the number given to us is 9B72. So the idea is add them up and that sum should be divisible by 9. So if I add, let's say 9 plus 7 plus 2, and we have to add b, of course. So what do we get? 9 plus 7, 9 and 9 is 18, right? So it is 18 plus b. So in this case, the number 18 is divisible by 9. So what should be b? Well, couple of options. Can you tell me what could be the options for b? Well, of course, one value of b could be 0 and the other could be 9. So we have two different options here. So we could write 9072 and even 9972 as two possible solutions in this particular case, and all these numbers will be divisible by 9. So I hope with this you have clearly understood divisibility rule by 9, and now you can create numbers which could be multiples of 9. Perfect. I hope you like I hope you like the video. Feel free to subscribe and write your comments, share your views. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.